Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to generate code matrix in MAXQDA. Code matrix in MAXQDA is a powerful visualization tool that provides a matrix view of how codes are distributed across your data. It allows researchers to analyze which codes are applied to specific documents, document groups, or cases, facilitating the pattern recognition and deeper insights. Use of the code matrix, analyzing the coding patterns. It identifies which themes codes are most prevalent in specific documents. It helps in comparing the distribution of codes across different document groups or cases. Compare groups or participants. It is useful for focus group analysis or case study research to compare contributions or themes across the participants. It reveals variations in how different groups or individuals address the particular themes. Identify gaps or overlaps. It spots area of undercoding or overcoding codes across the documents. It helps us to refine and validate the coding process. Support reporting. It generates a visualization for presentations or reports to communicate findings effectively. Now let's see how we can generate this in MAXQDA. So you will have to go in Visual Tools, click on the code matrix. We can generate the code matrix on the basis of document groups, top level or second level, document sets, respondents without children and respondents with children, focus group speakers, and we can also consider use weight filter. Just try to refer my previous tutorial in which we have discussed about how to give weightage to the codes. So the code matrix can be generated on the basis of the weights also. We'll start with very basic, and that is documents. Click OK. The chart is ready. That is, this is code matrix. Here all the codes are there, and on the top columns are there. The number represents the coded segment. The number represents a coded segment. Now see here, the document is of Kazumi. Code is amount of hours. So 4 coded segments are there. Now click here and just see this number. Selim, friends and family code, 7 coded segments are there. Just double click on it and all the coded segments will appear. Right? Again click here. So 2 coded segments have appeared. Again maximize it. Now you want to see code hierarchies. Click here. Now click here so that we don't get any names in the column. Short names, long names. The same code matrix can be generated in the form of all squares. Click here. The size of the square represents the coded segments. Bigger the square, the coded segments are more. So hover the mouse on any large square and you will see the coded segments are 10. And here the coded segments are less. I can convert this into the circles also. I can convert this into the numbers also. Square and numbers together. Now there is a concept. Calculation of symbol size refers to all cells. 1. Second is calculation of symbol size refer to the column, particular column. Calculation of the symbol size refer to the row, that is the code. Okay. Now, how it's working, let's see. It's just an example. Code, document. So if we start with the calculation of symbol size refers to all cells. So you can see this number 30. So document 2, code B, the coded segments are 30, which is the highest number, and therefore it will have a very big circle. all other circles will be on the basis of this particular code, reference to this code. So the size of the symbols in the matrix is calculated relative to the frequency of cells in the matrix. The largest symbol represents the highest frequency across the entire matrix, and smaller symbols are scaled accordingly. Here, 30, code B in document 2 is the largest frequency across all cells. Its symbol will be largest, just see, and others will scale accordingly. So this is 5 and the circle is small. Next is column, code A, code B, code C. So the size of the symbol is calculated based on the relative frequency of each code across all the documents. See, in MAXQDA codes are in the rows and documents are in columns. So don't get confused. This is just for an explanation purpose how they are working, right? I again repeat, in case of MAXQDA, documents are in the columns and codes are in the row. So here also how we are working, code A 25, 5 and 10, which is the largest in column 25, in code B 30, in code C again 20. The size of the symbol is calculated based on the relative frequency of each code across all the documents within the column. The largest symbol represents the highest frequency for a specified code across the documents, and others are scaled relative to that code. So this 25 will have a bigger circle and 5 will have a smaller circle. Now we are just talking about the columns and the relative size. For code A, 25 document 3 will have the largest symbol. For code B, 30 document 2 will have the largest symbol. For code C, 20 document 3 will have the largest symbol. Just see. Now according to the rows, so we will be moving this way, right? So when you do the comparison this way, then 25 is the largest, 30 is the largest, 20 is the largest. The size of the symbol is calculated based on the relative frequency of the codes within each document, that is row. The largest symbol represents the most frequent code for a specified document, and others are scaled relative to that document. For document 1, 20, that is for document 1, 20, code B will have the largest symbol. For document 2, 30, code B will have the largest symbol. Document 3, code A will have the largest symbol. And this you can see here. Now, let's see the same concept in MAXQDA. Calculation of symbol size refers to all cells, right? 1, particular to the column. So just see here, this has become dark, right? This has become dark. With respect to the column, that is the column of the documents. With reference to codes, that is rows, okay? Next, count hits only once per document. Now we are not considering coded segment. If the code has appeared in a document, just one, okay? So everything will be converted into one, right? Now I will convert this into the binary, 1 and zeros again. Okay. Now, if I want to generate the another code matrix, I will click here, document groups, click OK. So according to the document groups, these are interviews and focus groups. Again click here, document sets, click OK. So respondents without children, respondents with children. Again click here, focus groups speakers, click OK. So moderator Olga, Fatima, Andy, Pranav, right? Now close this, activate a particular code, again go in code matrix. So you can see only for activated codes, documents and click OK. So it generates the code matrix only for the particular code, activated code. Close it. Now deactivate this and activate the particular document, interviews. Again, go in code matrix browser, only for the activated documents, click OK. So it is only for interviews. Next, again I'll go in code matrix and document groups, no selection, and click OK. So interviews and focus groups. Now click here, segment matrix. So you can see the coded segments directly here. Code, right? And the coded segments. You can see here. Moreover, let's click on display coded segments. Close this now. So this was all about how to generate code matrix in MAXQDA. For more videos on MAXQDA, please subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also join me on different social medias, link given in the description box.